Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for it.
So hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make pawpaw and passion fruit smoothie, and that's how it looks. As you can see on the video, let's get started. So wash your fruits very well, like thoroughly with running water. I'm going to be using 6 passion fruits and one small pawpaw, as you can see on the video. That's how they are. There we go. I'm going to be cutting them and removing the seeds, then putting the seeds on the blending jug. Let's keep watching. If you're new here, please remember to click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you may know when I post. If you are a returning subscriber, please remember to like, share, and also as well comment, because I really love engaging with my people on the comment section. So on the video, as you can see, I'm trying to scoop all the seeds from this passion skin and cut it out and pouring the seeds on the jug. Now in this case, I'll be using all the 6 passion fruit, but you don't have to use all of it. I just really love the taste of the passion, and yeah, that's why I had to put 6 of them. Now this is why you have to really wash your fruits well, because as you can see there, I was really about to eat dust, you know. Anyway, clear up your station and get into the pawpaw. Now this pawpaw was looking really delicious, you know, really sweet. As you can see, wow, really nice. It's small, and yeah, I think I'll have to use it all because it's too small, and I really want my juice to also turn to be really thick and smooth as well. So this type of juices are very nutritious. Anyone can drink them because it's only fruit. Yeah. Let's keep watching. I thought I'll use a half of it, but I ended up using the whole pawpaw but well, my juice after that really turned out to be very, very sweet. So remove the seed of the pawpaw. Then scoop it out and put it on the blending jug. Finish, clear out the station. That's how it looks. All the fruits inside the jug, the blending jug. Now I'm getting the blending machine, put it in the socket, plug it on the socket, set my jug on top. Now put water. I'll put one jar. I'll put 3 cold cups of water. Okay, so those are 2. As you can see, I put half, but I ended up adding some more, so it's 3 cups in total. Make sure it reaches on the maximum. That's where the maximum reaches. Because I want to end up having 5 cups of juice, just like that, you know. Put sugar. Now this one is optional. 2 tablespoons of sugar. This one is optional. You can put if you want, but for me, I really love it when it's more sweeter, so yeah, I had to add some sugar there. Now, depending on your blender, mine, I'll put it on the first row to blend. Make it blend for like 30 seconds or 1 minute. To make everything dissolve. Let's keep watching. This juice is very nutritious, affordable, if you have kids as well, this juice is the best for kids, for anyone, literally anyone. So it's done now, everything is dissolved. My juice is ready to serve. That's how it looks. Let me show you the view, guys. That's how it looks. Really delicious, and eye-catching, you know. That's how it looks. And the juice is very thick as well. I really loved it. So ready to serve. Put it in a cup and serve it now. As you can see, it's very thick now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please remember to like, share and comment. Turn on the notification bell as well. Thank you, guys. Bye.